Honda's legendary motocross machine is back with some serious updates. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're putting the 2027 CRF450R under the microscope. This is the bike that's won countless championships, and the latest version might just be the best one yet. Let's dive in and see what makes this year's models special. Design. The 2027 CRF450R maintains Honda's championship-winning DNA while introducing sleeker, more modern styling. The bodywork has been trimmed down for improved ergonomics, allowing riders to transition smoothly from sitting to standing. The flatter seat design and narrower profile make it easier to grip the bike with your knees through technical sections. Honda's iconic red plastics look sharp with updated graphics that give it an aggressive, competition-focused appearance. The overall package feels lighter and more nimble, with every component positioned to optimize weight distribution and rider comfort during intense racing conditions. Performance. Under the shrouds sits Honda's legendary 449cc Unicam engine, and it's been refined to perfection. The power delivery is incredibly smooth and predictable, giving you confidence whether you're launching out of the gate or powering through whoops. What sets this engine apart is its broad power band that works beautifully across all track conditions. The throttle response is crisp without being twitchy, making it beginner-friendly while still satisfying experienced racers. Honda has optimized the intake and exhaust for better mid-range torque, which translates to faster corner exits and better acceleration on straightaways. Features and technology. Honda brings impressive technology to the table with the 2027 model. The Showa suspension, front and rear, has been completely retuned, offering plush compliance over small chatter while remaining firm enough for big hits and landings. The electric start fires up reliably every single time, which is essential during races. Honda's HRC tuning app gives you programmable engine settings, so you can customize the bike for different track surfaces and weather conditions. The hydraulic clutch delivers consistent engagement, and the aluminum frame strikes the perfect balance between rigidity and flex for optimal handling. Conclusion. The 2027 CRF450R continues the legacy of excellence that Honda is known for. It's a refined race weapon that's accessible yet competitive. What's your take on the new CRF? Drop your thoughts below in the comments. If this review was valuable, smash that like button, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more detailed motorcycle content. See you at the track!